How to sign in into Big Lots employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Big Lots employee login account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for Big Lots Employee Login. After you search for that, you will see different websites right here. Let's head over to this first one. After you open up this first website, that is mybiglots.net, you can simply type this as well, and you'll be on this page. So all you can do right here is enter your employee ID number and then your password. After you do both of those, tap on sign in option and then you'll get logged in into your account. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye bye. Take care.